Okay, so part D says, apart from your answer in part C, write down a second point that is on the line T. So literally any point that is on the line T, our formula for the line T was 3x plus y is 10. So literally the only coordinate we cannot say is 3, 1, because we've already used that. Okay, so any other coordinate, let's say, for example, if we wanted the x coordinate to be 2, okay, then we'd need to figure out what would the y coordinate there be. So literally it'd be 3 by 2 plus y is 10. So 6 plus y is 10. So y would be 4. Okay, so that's one possible answer, would be 2, 4. Okay, so literally whatever number you sub in there, you're just finding the matching y coordinate. Okay, likewise, just as a little side note, if they had asked about the circle, so we have our circle that has a center of 0, 0, and we already have found that the point 3, 1 is on the circle. So if they asked for another point on that circle, we could say, okay, we'll go straight up from the center, and the radius is distance out, so square root 10, and we would have another point here, 0 square root 10. Likewise, we could go straight left from the center, so that we're at minus the square root of 10, 0. We could go straight down from the center, so that we're at 0 minus the square root of 10. Okay, we could go over here and get the square root of 10, 0. Okay, we also could say, okay, well, how did we get from 3, 1 to the center, and then do that same transformation out the other side, so that it would be minus 3 minus 1. Or we could sub in any x coordinates into the equation of the circle. So it was x squared plus y squared is 10. So we could say, for example, okay, what is the y coordinate when x is 2? So if we wanted to do that, then we literally would say, okay, so let's say it's 2. Okay, so we're saying 2 comma something. So it would be 2 squared plus y squared is equal to 10. Okay, so y squared would be 10 minus 4, which is 6. So y would be the square root of 6. Okay, so just the same way if they had said about a circle, okay, you're literally just seeing what y coordinates match with different x coordinates that you're looking at. Part E then says, draw the circle C and the line T on the given axis. So you need your compass to draw a circle. Okay, you would mark in wherever the center point of the circle is. So there's the center for this one, and then stretch your compass out to whatever the radius was. So square root of 10 here. Okay, so you can either stretch your compass out on like the, for example, like, so if you type into your calculator square root 10, it's 3.16. So you can stretch your compass from 0 to 3.16, or mark in a point that you have on the circle. So we have the point 3, 1. So we have that this point here is on the circle as well. So just place the needle in the circle center, bring the pencil out to there, and then bring it the whole way around. Okay, then to draw the line. Okay, so again, we have this point 3, 1. Then just literally plot in one of the other points that you found. So we also found up here the point 2, 4. So here. Okay, and then just connect those two lines together and make sure that they continue in both directions. Okay, they don't just stop at those 2 points. You need to be using your ruler for this question and a pencil to get full marks.